In this video, we're going to look at setting ourselves up with a Zotero account, installing it onto our computers, and also importing the Griffith Harvard referencing style. So the first thing we do is we go to zotero.org. Go to log in there, register for a free account. My advice is you use something very, very simple here. You can always use your email as a username. You're not going to be logging in and out of this very much, but what this does is it makes sure that everything that you have in your Zotero account is backed up fully online, so you'll never lose anything. It's really important that you do this step. Do this step before you do the install. Okay, so I already have an account. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to go back here, and we're going to go to the download. So my browser knows, okay, what I'm working on. It would see automatically if it's a Windows or a Mac device. So I'm going to go to download here. So this thing here is Zotero that's going to live on your computer. We're also going to need to install a connector. It knows that I'm on Chrome, so it's going to install the Chrome connector here. And the reason we need this is because this is the magic button we're going to press to bring in our journal articles into our Zotero library. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add this. So add Chrome. Sure. And there it is. Okay, so that's done. I'm going to come back down here and see how we're getting on with our install. I'm going to say next, standard is fine. There we go, finish. That's quick. I already had Zotero installed on this computer before, so it's just automatically found everything for me. So it's clever, but I'm just going to pretend that I don't. Normally what will happen is you'll just have a blank screen here. So the first thing you do is you're going to sync it to that online account that you just set up. So go to Edit, Preferences, Sync. You're only going to have to do this once. I'm going to unlink mine and just show you what I did before. Okay, so you put in your username, or your email will work just as well. And I'm going to put my password in. Okay. So if you already have an account, you can do this on any PC, any laptop, whatever it is, anywhere, and it'll automatically find what you had up online there. So that's what I mean about not losing anything. The next thing I want to do is I want to go and put in the Griffith Harvard referencing style. So go to Preferences. I'm going to go to Site. These are the ones that it comes with automatically. It's very easy to get another style. We have ours installed in the Zotero library up here. There you go. Click on that there. And there it is. It's added. So that's it. You're good to go now.